All right, here's the complete harvest 2023, and that is out of about 13 square feet of space for this garlic. Not a bad haul. We'll get back to digging it up. Okay, harvesting garlic. Been growing it for about a decade. There's some that I just pulled up out of these very small little raised beds. Been a really good year for garlic. I wouldn't have guessed it because it's been so freaking warm, but I'll show you how I pull them out of the ground. Let's get you adjusted here. Now I just use, only because I'm in the in these raised beds, I use just a shovel, straight edge shovel like this. Put it in here. Try not to cut the bulb. Push down like that, and then use a little leverage, just like that. Notice that one's broke loose. Get the next door neighbor. There you go. We'll go ahead and pull it out. And basically I have a mix of clay. And organic matter, composted manure and so forth. So yeah, so that's one of them. It's been a really good year. That's not the largest one. I have a feeling on the opposite side will be the largest bulb of garlic this year. Let me grab the one that's in the photo. Right here. That's the biggest dog so far. Right there. And if you look, it doesn't look like we've lost the outer sheath too much. So that'll store well too. That's a nice garlic. I'll do a couple more if you want to stick around and watch. And yes, I planted too much garlic this year. I'll be giving a lot of it away. So we go on to the next course. Right here. Push your shovel down. Pop them. Like that. Pop them. Okay, those are loose. Then you just repeat the process. Get that out of there. There's another nice size. That's a pretty nice size head of garlic right there. Pull the next one. See how easy that comes up? Just like that. Look at the roots on that. They say that garlic roots don't run very deep, but that looks pretty deep to me. Shake off the dirt a little bit. Look at that. It's another beautiful bulb. Come over here. Grab that last one. Pull it out. And that clay does grab the roots and just hangs on for dear life. The object of the game here is to get this soil so amended with organic matter that it won't do that anymore. But it does grow nice garlic. Once the clay gets damp and wet, it really does good. Now what I do is I plant it we're in Michigan, so I plant it in the fall before the ground freezes, and let it grow over the winter, whatever it's doing. And then in the spring, I give it about an inch of compost on top, and then I water it when it looks dry. Just kind of play it by ear, and we get great garlic. not a bad clove at all, or a bad bulb at all. Nice. One more. That's a pretty good sized bulb. And you can see the skin's still intact, so it's not overdone. So it'll store well. But look at that. That's a big wad of clay right there. Let's get that off there. These will sit in the sun for a week, 2 weeks before they get nice and dry. Braid them up and hang them in the basement where it's nice and cool. I don't know if we got that one on the last shovel or not. No, we didn't. Hang on. That looks like that's going to be a hog right there. That's going to be a big daddy. Let's see what we got. Oh. Okay, let's pull it up and see what we have. Ooh, man. Now look at that roots. Look how long those roots go. Isn't that something? Let's break up that clay and compost off the root. See what we really have here. Not bad. Not bad. Paper's all intact. Not bad. There's a pile there. There's a pile there. I'll complete this raised bed and we'll call it a video. It's hot. It's like 92 degrees out here right now. But I wanted to get it out. I'll get all the garlic out today and get it starting to dry. You don't want it to go too long or you'll have problems storing it. There it goes. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh, that ain't bad. That isn't bad at all. Now this is the size that you find in the store, usually Chinese, and it's all bleached. Of course, this isn't Chinese, and it's not going to be bleached. Oh, wow. Look at that dog right there. Look how far those roots go. See that? That is a pretty good sized root ball for a piece of garlic. And did it eat up that compost? That really did good. It's the first year I composted them. Look at that. That's a nice bulb too. Okay, we've got 2 more and this bed is empty. Shovel in. There we go. Those 3 are broke loose. Come over here. See how big this one is. This is a fairly large bloom. Yeah, look at that. That's a good sized one too. Nice. Now, literally, I just went to the grocery store. There's a garden / grocery store local here, and I just bought the biggest heads of garlic, and I planted a combination of old garlic from the previous year's planting and the new garlic. So this is a mix of that. Ooh. Very nice root ball. Very nice roots. There we are. Let's gather up these garlics and put them on these garlics over here, and then we'll spread them out in the grass. But that's out of all that garlic is out of that. Those are foot by foot, basically. 4 of those, and then this larger one, which looks like about 18 inches by 30 or so. I've got 2 more that I've got to do, but as much fun as it is, it's getting hot out here. I am just going to boogie through this. I think that'll do it. This is Hap for Hap Around the House. If you liked the video, hit the like button. Consider subscribing to the channel. Add a comment if you have a question. That helps out with the channel getting seen. And we'll see you next time on Hap for Hap Around the House.